Good afternoon. Our top story. Even as the MHA presses for a probe, investigating officers claim that they have traced Liaqat's phone calls with a Hizbul handler, which allegedly led them to the explosives that they seized on Friday. However, the political parties in J&K are not convinced by the police's version.
तो वज़ीर आला ने एकदम 24 घंटे के अंदर वज़ारत दाखिला से रब्ता किया और शिंदे साहब जो वज़ीर दाखिला हैं उनसे बात की और उन्होंने तुरंत जो है उमर अब्दुल्ला की सिफारिश पर जो है नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी के सुपुर्द कर दिया। और कल जब विधानसभा में बताया कि 12 बजे ही उस पर आदेश पे दस्तखत हुए और कल से ही इंक्वायरी शुरू हुई है। तो इसलिए अब इसमें टिप्पणी करना कि सही क्या है गलत क्या है ठीक नहीं होगा।
इंटेलिजेंस के इनपुट्स हैं दिल्ली पुलिस के पास, वो मल्टी एजेंसी इनपुट्स हैं जिसमें बताया जाता है कि वो टॉप हिजबुल के कमांडर, अल जिहाद के कमांडर और अल बदर के कमांडर्स के साथ इन टच में था। तो इसके बावजूद क्या वजह है कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अभी भी डिनाइल?
मुझे ऐसी रिपोर्ट हमारे पास नहीं है, पता नहीं आपने कहाँ से ये इंटेलिजेंस की रिपोर्ट लाई है। हमारे पास ऐसी कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं।
And Nikunj is with us on the phone line for more details. Now, Nikunj, clearly the Delhi police is standing by its claim and there are so many contradictions emerging, in fact, even on what the motive of this man was.
Well, yes, Deepti, I've just finished a talk with the Union Home Minister. In fact, just a minute back, we were having a word with him, and he again repeated himself as he had told us yesterday that the Ministry of Home Affairs has indeed decided for an NIA probe, the formal orders for which may not have been issued as yet. We are again trying to cross-check it with the Union Home Secretary as I speak to you. But the fact remains that this is certainly true, that there are a certain degree of contradiction in the entire story that is being pitched by the Delhi police, and that is why the Ministry of Home Affairs in its wisdom sees some merit in the argument of J&K Chief Minister Omar Abdullah that a third neutral agency is required to probe the claims made by both J&K police and the Delhi police. So that's why we are seeing an NIA probe. But contradictions for sure are there. No one can deny them at this stage.
Right, and Nikunj, another very critical aspect in this entire case is perhaps his phone records, because we believe that they have traced Liaqat's phone calls with a Hizbul handler. All right, we seem to have lost that link with Nikunj, but that is the big story that we will be tracking. Although officially NIA has not been handed over the probe, but yes, the Union Home Minister believes that there are certain contradictions which need to be challenged.